Okay, you're watching this because you've got the rather cool Estarli cargo speaker. This is how to fit it. I'm going to place that precariously on the back seat. The first thing you'll need it comes with is the attachment, the base plate. That just sits in at the very back of the Estarli e-cargo front rack. You then have two long lengths of Velcro and one short. We're going to start with the short one. Each strip of Velcro has a shinier side and a fluffier side. Shiny side facing down. We're going to simply thread this underneath the base plate and secure it on to the front rack. Keep it lined up, pull it nice and tight, and attach it. That's all you need to do. Right, now we're going to get these two longer strips in place. Firstly, on the right hand side here, this time we're going to be fluffy side up. Thread it through the hole, around the back, behind the light cable, and we're just going to have it come to about the top of the front rack and leave it in place. Same on this side, fluffy side up, through the hole, around the back, and leave it in place like that. Then let's grab the all-important speaker. We place it tucked in onto the base plate, onto its padding, and then we simply attach it by taking the first thread on the right hand side through the hole at the back. We line up the back bit of Velcro so it comes to about here. This then simply goes over the top. Pull it tight, tuck in the last piece and wrap it round. That's the first one. Same applies here. Through the hole, over the top, line up the end, pull it tight, and we're all attached. Okay, you can give her a bit of a jig, check the suspension if you want to check she's locked in place, turn her on for the sound of happiness. And you're ready to ride with the music.